It is actually hard to nurse injuries of the foot. Most of these foot injuries are hard to diagnose. If they occur on sensitive areas of the feet, it is advisable that you see a podiatrist. Make sure you choose a specialist in the kind of injury you are suffering from. When searching for the best foot doctor, Orland Park patients can look locally or online. Choosing the right podiatrist can be a complicated process. There are different podiatrists out there who have different specialties. It is hard to know who is the most qualified in treating complications like the one you are suffering from. Outlined in this article are some of the most vital aspects to look at when choosing a podiatrist. Referrals can actually work miracles. Start by visiting your local healthcare center to find a list of foot doctors that practice in your area. Take time to talk to the workers there to see if they will assist you to pick the most competent practitioner from the list given. You can also proceed to see your primary doctor. Talk well to your primary healthcare provider, and he might refer you to the right podiatrist. Recommendations from friends or family members can work miracles. You need to ask those people who had problems like yours to recommend you the doctors they used. You should inquire about the treatment procedures used. The prices they were charged by their doctors should also be your concern. Talk to different people so as to get many suggestions. Make sure that you are seeking referrals from trustworthy people. The internet is another great place to search for podiatrists. Note that most of these doctors have websites where information about their service can be obtained. You need to make use of search engines to locate their websites. Explore the websites in search of information. Check their specialties in their profiles, as well as the number of years they have been practicing. You need also to check their qualification levels before you make your final choice. From the list of doctors that you have researched, it is important to contact a few of them to see if they are ready for an interview. You should make arrangements to meet with them so as to interview them painstakingly. You need a list of questions that you are going to ask them during the interview. Inquire about things like experience, qualification, and credentials. You should go for a specialist in the kind of injury you have. This is crucial because these doctors have different specialties. The common specialties are biomechanical, surgery, and sports. You should carry out your research well in order to pick the right specialist. Go for a medical practitioner that you feel very much comfortable with. While interviewing your potential doctors, you will be able to tell the one that you can comfortably express your problems to. For the most competent foot doctor, Orland Park patients can search locally or online.